It was interesting. One of my members was all set to buy a company importing from China. The factory in China had a major failure. So 50% of this company's sales, they can't produce. They're only made in China. You have to find secondary sources. And maybe China, but maybe someplace else. So we think that we have found a source, but that source is not the final source. You need to have alternatives. And because things are changing geopolitically, these competition and source of supply is worldwide, and you have to think worldwide. And you have to be open to new concepts, new ideas, and be uncomfortable. But when you go to make these changes, you need support to make the change. People have to tell you, that's a great idea. Where are you? Where have you progressed on this? One of the aspects of a peer board group is that there's accountability. When you say you're going to do something, people are going to say, how are you doing? Where are you? What issues do you have? How can we help you? People who've been through it, people who are going through it like you. The question is, what issues are they facing? How do they solve them? How do they approach them? And what are they expecting to be an issue in, say, a year from now? What are the changes? There's the China issue geopolitically is going to be a major issue. You have to think about what are your alternatives.